Hi, welcome to VIVE's cooking videos. My name is Jody and today what I want to teach you is Kitchen Hacks Straining Pasta 101. Okay, so what you need for this is you need your pot of boiling water, but you need a strainer that fits inside that pot really nice and beautifully so you can just easily remove that out and pop it straight into your pan. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how that all works. So my pasta has been cooking for 8 minutes now and it's ready to come out. I've already checked it, and what we're going to do is we're going to take that out, take a little bit of that pasta water because that helps thicken the sauce as well as season, pop that pasta straight into our pan and we can mix that through with our sauce, and then right at the end we can pop in any herbs and any finishing oils that we'd like to put on top of that. Just drizzle over that and then we can mix it through with the pan. If it's easy for you guys, you can use a pair of tongs and you can just toss that through like so. And then once that's all nice and hot and ready to go, then you can plate up from there and it'll be nice and delicious.